Thank you for tuning in. In this video, I will talk about my new position with 3M and an update on my dividend stock portfolio. Let's dive in. The 3M company is an American multinational conglomerate corporation operating in the fields of industry, worker safety, U.S. healthcare, and consumer goods. Looking at the 2020 results, they made a little over $32 billion. Keep in mind that the 2021 values will be released when the Q4 info is out on January 25th. Continuing with the numbers, out of the $32 billion, $8.3 billion is from the healthcare, $11.7 billion is from safety and industrials, $8.8 billion is from transportation and electronics, and $5.3 billion is from consumer. 3M has a well-diversified business, and through science and innovation, they will continue to provide values to the years to come. Let's take a quick look at the stock numbers. As of the time of recording, the current share price is $173.57, roughly $6 close to the 52-week low, which is $167. My average cost is $177.85, and as it trends down, I will continue to buy more. Having an earnings per share of 10.35 and a PE ratio of 17.24, this stock is trading at a cheap valuation. Dividend yield is 3.3%, which translates to an annual dividend of $5.92, and a payout ratio of 60.3%. Payout ratio is not too low, but not too high, so the company has room to increase the dividends. The 5-year compounded annual growth rate is 5.92%, which for a mature company that has increased their dividends for 63 years, this compounding is healthy and above average inflation. 3M earnings will be next week, and I expect them to beat it by a decent margin. Here, I'm showing you the last 3 earnings where 3M did a better than consensus estimate. On Q3, they beat by 0.24%, Q2 by 0.31%, and Q1 by 0.48%. My guess is that they will beat by 0.18% this upcoming earnings. As mentioned before, I find 3M to be at a fair value and will continue to add to my position as it trends down, as long as it remains at this cheap valuation. This is a well-diversified company, and I'm happy to have it in my portfolio. Talking about my portfolio, let's see how it is doing. Current value sitting at $4,436.54 with a dividend yield of 3.65%, which translates to $145.01 in yearly dividends. Now, I have 15 holdings, up from 14 for the addition of 3M. Portfolio is doing great, consistently adding more great businesses and reinvesting the dividends. I need to slowly work on rebalancing so companies like 3M, Kimberly-Clark, and Waste Management could have a higher allocation. This week, I only bought shares from 3M and Corning. I'm confident that I will reach the 2022 goal of $10,000 invested and $300 yearly dividends. I'm also working on adding more useful data from my portfolio on future videos, so we can appreciate other aspects such as dividends per share and sector allocation. Alright, that will be for today's video. Hope everyone has a great weekend. See you on the next one.